Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a Christmas pudding. I have lined the base of my basin with grease-proof paper. The first thing I'm going to do is place all my dry ingredients into my bowl. Self-raising flour, suet, currants, raisins, sultanas, grounded almonds, breadcrumbs, mixed peel, figs, a zest of an orange and lemon, apple, dark brown sugar, a teaspoon of grounded nutmeg, a teaspoon of mixed spice, and a pinch of salt. I am now going to add all my wet ingredients. Orange juice, lemon juice, 6 eggs, barley wine, and finally some treacle. When adding your treacle, make sure to fill a cup up with hot water and leave your spoon in the cup for a few minutes. This will help the treacle to slide off your spoon. I'm now going to put my mixture into my basin. I'm now going to wrap up my pudding. First, I'm going to take my greaseproof paper top and cover the top of the pudding. I'm now going to cover with tin foil, but make sure to push the sides down. I'm now going to take an old shoelace, or you can use a piece of string, and tie my pudding in tightly. Now that I have tied it twice on one side, I'm going to bring 2 of the laces over the top and tie them over this side to create a handle. My pudding is standing in a saucepan half filled with boiling water. I'm going to cover my pudding and steam it for 5 to 6 hours. I'm going to keep an eye on my boiling water to make sure it hasn't boiled away. If it has boiled away, I'm going to top it up with extra water. My pudding has finished steaming for 6 hours and I have left it to cool. I removed the tin foil and the greaseproof paper. I am now going to replace it with fresh greaseproof paper and tin foil, tie it up like I did before, and leave until Christmas Day. I am now going to store my pudding in a cool, dark place and then bring it out on Christmas Day. Christmas pudding is traditionally eaten on Christmas Day in Britain and Ireland, but also has recently taken off in other countries. On Christmas Day, you will steam your pudding for 1.5 to 2 hours before turning out onto a plate. Once it's on a plate, you will pour over a tablespoon of brandy, if you like, and light it with a match. Once the flame has gone out, you can cut it up and enjoy with cream, ice cream, fruit and custard. This is a mini Christmas pudding that I have made. If you would like to see the bigger version, stay tuned for a video on my YouTube channel on Christmas Day, or head over to my Instagram Leah's_baking_19 for a photo and video on Christmas Day. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.